The final injury report ahead of the highly anticipated matchup between the Spurs and the Bucks has drawn significant attention as fans eagerly await clarity on the availability of two key players, Giannis Antetokounmpo and Myles Turner. With both teams navigating crucial stretches of the season, the status of these stars could have a major impact on the outcome of the game. Milwaukee enters the contest with high expectations, but also some uncertainty surrounding Giannis, who has been dealing with a lingering issue in recent days. Although he has remained a dominant force when on the court, the team's medical staff has taken a cautious approach to ensure his long-term health. In the lead-up to the game, Giannis was listed on the injury report, raising questions about whether he would suit up or be given additional rest. His presence is vital for the Bucks, not only because of his scoring ability, but also his leadership and defensive impact. On the other side, the Spurs are dealing with their own concerns, particularly regarding Myles Turner. The veteran big man has been instrumental in anchoring the team's defense and providing interior scoring. However, he too has been managing an injury that has limited his recent availability. Turner's status remained uncertain until the final report, leaving fans and analysts speculating about how the Spurs would adjust if he were unable to play. According to the latest update, Giannis Antetokounmpo is officially listed as probable, signaling optimism that he will be available for the game. This designation suggests that while he may not be at full strength, the Bucks are confident in his ability to contribute. His inclusion would be a major boost for Milwaukee, especially in a game where they are expected to rely heavily on their core players. Meanwhile, Myles Turner has been listed as questionable, indicating a more uncertain situation. The Spurs may ultimately make a game-time decision based on how he responds to pre-game warm-ups. If Turner is unable to go, it would leave a significant gap in the team's frontcourt, potentially forcing adjustments in both their defensive schemes and offensive rotations. The contrasting injury statuses set the stage for an intriguing battle. If both players are able to play, fans can expect a competitive matchup featuring elite talent on both ends of the floor. However, if Turner is sidelined while Giannis takes the court, the balance could tilt in favor of Milwaukee. Coaches from both teams have emphasized the importance of adaptability, noting that injuries are an unavoidable part of the game. As a result, bench players and role contributors may be called upon to step up and fill any gaps left by absent stars. As tip-off approaches, all eyes will remain on the final confirmations and any last-minute updates. The availability of Giannis Antetokounmpo and Myles Turner could ultimately define not just the game's dynamics, but also its outcome.